Hi guys, welcome once again to another episode of Bars Beats. Where we do some of the maddest reviews around here. Now today in the program, I'll be decoding this song here by Shenseea. And it's called Die For You. Oh yeah. I know say anything Shenseea drop, it have to hot. And that's why you see me in my red. Because I fire me and say straight. Alright, so I'm gonna just run it and I decode as I go. I'm gonna tell me where it go. So watch out now. Hey, Russian!
Baby, drop your pin right now. Me, I come make a link right now, Yeah, me what's in me drawers right now, yeah. Why wait, got me just drive out. Yeah, the way my nookie tight, coming like say it feel brand new. You fi give me big deal whenever you drive through. Me no want nothing quick, me no wanna pass through. Want it 90 minutes long like a match a man, you.
Me tell you, know. This a girl never disappointed, you know. Never disappoint. Alright, so when the song start, you hear, hey, Russian! Well, you know who that is, but in case you don't know, that is Russian. And Russian is one of Shenseea's producers. I think he and her signed a contract, I think about 3 years contract or so. If you don't know the amount a year, throw it in the comment section. Because knowledgeable people watch this. And if I am wrong, them always correct me. Trust me, them do. So, Russian. And Russian is one of Jamaica's top producers, one of the bad producers them out of Jamaica. And anytime you hear Russian involved in a song, is either going there or he put that tag there in there because he not miss out. not missing out. He might get him producer's cut, him intro cut, him everything. Businessman, straight. Alright. You hear when she drop the thing, boy, I tell you, Shenseea give me a lot of work for doing. A lot of work. So, she said, drop your pin right now. The dropping of pin comes from the BlackBerry era. And anything Shenseea do, the man them follow. You see it? So she said, drop the pin. She also said it nookie tight. I tell you. Nookie, it would be the proper or the less derogatory term for pussy. So she said it took the nookie nice. Tight. So I test you on some man. Test it. Alright, she had a talk about say you're a big deal whenever you drive through. And that is the use of the figure of speech in the song. Because drive through and big deal, it goes with, I think big deal is a KFC meal. And the drive through thing is when you drive through for order it. So you see she had work or literacy skill. Or literature skill I should have said. See, so hey, when she drop bars, you know, she give me a lot of work for it. And she said she want a 90-minute match like the match. 90 minutes like the match a Man U. And 90 minutes is the regulation time or the regulation time for football match, right? And Man U would be Manchester United. She not joke when it come to the bars. I must bars beats that. So you what now? We are gonna look further in this app. Watch your runnings.
If your name call pan this, you get little clout. If you can't make me come, then the sex don't count. Yeah, just a giddy up and me we ride for.
You hear that? She said, if your name call pan it, you get clout. Really and truly, if your name call pan it, you get clout for chewing up. Because Shenseea a top girl and her name big out there. So if a man here say, yo, sex Shenseea, you know, say your name big. But she also say, if you not do it good, meaning say if you not make she come, ejaculate, meaning she say it no count. Boy, me I tell you the truth. The moon why any count, you know, because that means say what? Me get more tries. You see it? So, Shenseea, what you are saying, you know, because me I tell you the truth, you know what? Enough man don't want to count, you know, because they want to count over. They want to recount. You see it? Alright, Shenseea, go through.
Papa, me we ride for you. Spitting on me mouth, coming like that too. We fuck all night when I have curfew. Beg her please, bossing on me insides too.
Hold on, man. Well, she has some things, you know, I now walk with Shenseea, you know. But my job is to decode, so me a decode. She said, if you spit in her mouth. That's some real thing she talk about this, so you know, she gone in some different realm. Yeah, she gone in some different sex. Alright. Keep her up all night. Like, because what? She know in a curfew thing. Nobody can tell her go her bed. She want to stay up and deal with the sex. She under some serious arsenic. Yeah, go in there.
Do anything you want if you do. Me body goes so down like me work for you. Be good but I know that alone I hold you. Kill me with the body.
She say, hey, Shenseea give me pure work here, you know. Shensia, why you give me so much work for though? She said the body goes down like she work voodoo. Me I wonder if Shensia does have rhyme some words or she understand what she's singing about. Because Shensia don't look like a gozo her body gozo down, man. Shensia don't look like a natural work. And sometimes I see her at gym and exercise. What kind of gozo she attack? Anyway, that she say, body gozo down. Fire. Straight.
Me I die for you. Die for you. Me I die for you. Die for you. Tell me baby, how much I bet? It not gonna take me nothing to get your erect.
Alright. She say a thing in it where if you understand music, you will catch it. If you don't, you might not. She said she don't have no limit like she a mix. No, crack this code business. Limit, which is a limiter, is used when you're mixing so that the sound not go over 0 decibel. And decibel is used where you used to measure sound. So when you use a limiter, you make sure you carry it at -1. So in case if anything even go over, it not go over 0. Because once it pass 0, that's where they say the music is clipping or the sound is clipping. So she said she not no limit. Kind of mix, she a mix. Hey, tell you the truth, you know. Yeah man, straight. Yeah man, and she not have to do anything to get you erect. Yes, that look like a truth. Trust me, looking at her, real talk. Alright, going at it some further then.
Eat it up, I can smell it on my breath. Me love it raw, I'm allergic to latex. The way I'ma do it till if I keep on my neck.
If you eat it up, she smell it by your breath. I'm fire! Shensia, me I tell you the truth, you know, you're going really high. Hey, eat it up, she can smell it by your breath. You know if you ask if you're not oral sex, she talk about. I'm fire! So I'm gonna eat up, and she want to smell it by her breath, by him breath. Straight. Alright. And she also said she allergic to latex. She want it raw. Why? She didn't see her. So message in this, I don't know what go on with you, you know. But let me tell you, them have non-latex condom too. So if you think say latex alone make, me just say it for the record. You have sheepskin and you have leopard skin and they have some more non-latex condoms. Just putting that in. And when me write this song, I'm just saying. So don't pre me. Let me go further.
The way I'ma do it till if I keep on my neck. The way I'ma work hard, me deserve a paycheck. Yeah, just like it up and me we ride for you. Tongue in my mouth, coming like that too. If I call night when I have curfew, beg her please bossing on me inside too.
It a repeat still, but there's a part in the chorus of me miss out when she said boss in na me inside. What she is telling whosoever do it is him to ejaculate inside of her. Zit. She want a youth. She want a youth. So, fire shot. Alright.
So don't like me work for you. Be good, but I know that alone I hold you. Kill me with the body, me I'll die for you. Die for you. Me I die for you. Die for you. Be a bit knock my lights on. Use your hands and squeeze my throat. I'll die for you.
Alright, so this song I don't know. Me like Shensia straight up. Me like how she sing, me like her voice. She beautiful and everything in terms of the package. Straight. Okay, this a song, yeah. I think this would be the one after Hit and Run. Straight Fire, me red. What me have to say about this, the message itself of this song. It's sort of raw and I get raw. As she said, she not no limit. But Shensia, me I tell us I put our limit. Yes, sir, because you reach influencer level long time. And you know, so if you go and write a song and sing it, go in a road, go jump off in a vehicle, you are going to have some people do it for true. Because they want to hear Shenyang and they want to hear Shenyang fan. See, so I get that out of it. But some things where you sing about, me I wonder if you're going to lower something. Because first you're going in a Guzu world. The Guzu world, it come and me never really and truly expect you to be one of them for gone down at that Guzu part. A poetry, I know people go in at them studio and take them time to write them song and sing it. So I not trash a song. A whole heap of energy going at it, a whole heap of money spent, and a whole heap of time, and a whole lot of brain work. So I'm not discounting that. I know it go. All me I say sometimes the message too raw and explicit and out there. And your message in this said it gone a little bit over the edge. And when me know you, me know so you're always depend the edge or you push the envelope a little, sometimes a lot. But to me that one I push a little bit too far in terms of what I say. See? And you don't have to sing nothing too rough to make a hit song, Shenseea. Everybody know that because your voice alone sell off straight. But tone on it thing. But a song it there between red and blue. I mean, I don't know what color that is. But a red, but you know, they're full red. People, I want to drop the comment in the comment section and let me hear what you have to say about this banger from Shenseea. You see? So this is Joe Quick again from Bars Beats. I may say, have that.